everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 264 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the LA Colors Lip Duo Contour Pencil in the shades Lovesick. And I've actually tried this product out before on my channel in other colors, and I just had to pick up every single color combination that they had at my Dollar Tree because I love this product so much. It's definitely one of my favorite LA Colors makeup products. And what I really love about this product is that you can achieve really advanced looking makeup looks, like really professional looking techniques, so quickly and easily with a $1 makeup product. So it comes with 2 different colors of lip pencil, one on each end. It comes with a sharpener built into the cap, which is such a nice added touch, especially for a dollar store makeup product. And with the other color combinations that I've tried of this product, which I'll link down below if you want to see those, I've been pleasantly surprised by how great the colors actually looked together. But these end up looking so beautiful together, and I would not really think that they would look as great as they actually do. So hopefully today's colors look really good together as well. But I also love using just the individual colors if I don't want to do an ombre look, but really I love an ombre look anytime. So that's what I'm going to do today, but I'll start out by just swatching both of the colors. So here are the colors. This one is a really light pinky purple shade, and then this one is like the opposite. It's like a deep berry shade. Both so pretty. I'm so excited to see how these are going to look as an ombre together. So I'm going to start out by lining my lips in the darker shade. And I'm just so impressed too by the formula of this just as a lip pencil, because it glides on with so much pigment. So it just seems like a great quality lip pencil, aside from the fact that you get another color that is so complementing. Let's see how it looks together. Oh my gosh, I hope the camera is picking up how cool this looks. The ombre effect is so beautiful. It's like very intense, definitely a very crazy contrast compared to some of the other colors that I've tried of this, but still really, really cool. It looks like this must have taken me so long to blend out. But no, this was so quick, and the colors just layer perfectly together. Like, I need to find a way to wear this for Halloween or something because I'm amazed by this combination. Like, if I could wear this somehow on my eyelid, I wonder if this product could work for that, because this ombre is so beautiful to me. As I'm looking at myself in the mirror, I can't even believe that I was able to achieve this effect. So I know that this is a special occasion type of look, but I would wear either of these colors alone or layer them on top of each other for more of a medium shade. But wow, this also just feels so nice on my lips. It feels so creamy, and my lips are very dry underneath this, but you can't even tell. It doesn't even feel dry on my lips. My lips actually look so smooth and hydrated. And this is a $1 lip pencil. That's just not what I would expect from a $1 lip pencil, for my lips to actually look very smooth and hydrated, but somehow it's happening. Now I have to do a kiss test, see how this wears. So not that much transfer considering how colorful my lips are. And I would say that the color is still fully 100% intact, even with that transfer test. So this is actually going to be quite long lasting. Wow, this is definitely a product that I would have never tried if I wasn't doing this trying a new makeup product every day series. And this is probably a look that I would never feel confident enough or risky enough to wear out in public, but this YouTube series has given me so much more makeup confidence that I would absolutely see myself wearing this out. And so I hope that these videos can encourage you to try out some products that you never would have tried out otherwise. And when it's only $1, it's so worth trying because you don't have to worry about wasting your money on a product that you might not wear very often, but you could be very pleasantly surprised by what you can find at the dollar store for makeup. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.